Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalatu wassalamu ala Rasulihil Kareem. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. So, welcome to new lecture. Today we will learn something new, very interesting. And as you know, we started Sahih Af'al and Ghair Sahih Af'al. So, we'll just give small recap. So, Aisha, can you tell me what does it mean al-fi'lu sahih wal fi'lu ghair sahih?
الفعل الصحيح is the sound verb,
Okay,
and فعل غير صحيح is defective verb.
defective words. So,
Defective, yeah.
no problem. What are those letters which make the verb defective?
Wow and ya.
Wow and ja, excellent. And al-fi'lu sahih, we divided into what?
3 parts,
Yeah, one is salim. It means,
and one is salim means sound, like with no wow and ya.
okay. And another,
Mahmuz,
okay. What is mahmuz?
a verb which contains hamza.
Okay. And Hamza. So, what are the classifications of Hamza? Can you read from here, just for repetition?
If the root letters contains hamza, if hamza is in the place of fa, it is called al-mahmuz al-fa. If hamza is in the place of ayn, it is called al-mahmuz al-ayn. If hamza is in the place of lam, it is called al-mahmuz al-lam.
Very good. Excellent. Now, there is a third category. Can you read the root letter?
Ra dal dal.
Ra dal dal. So, dal dal, it is on which place?
That first dal is on the ayn place, and the second dal is on the lam
Very
place.
good. Very good. So, what do you see? What are you observing? What's happening?
There are 2 same letters.
Yes, 2 same letter repeated. Okay. What it is called? Double
verb.
Double verb. And it will only be called when they are on ayn and lam. Okay.
Yes.
Because doubled, it can be ba, lam, ba. It can be.
Yeah.
Okay. It can be tha, lam. So in this case, we will not consider. Only when we'll consider when they are repeated on ayn and lam. It is called in Arabic al-Muda'af.
Muzaef.
Al-Muda'af, yes. Or they call it simply Muda'af. So doubled verb. It means we are having now 2 letters. So this is very interesting. We'll see what is happening. Okay, we have Ra, Dal, Dal, and this is Madi.
Yardudu.
Right?
Yes.
Radada. Yardudu.
Madi. Yardudu.
Mudare. Okay. So we'll study now what we have to do. First, we'll see this is what? Ain, Radada. This is Lam. And Yardudu. What is Fa, Ain, Lam? Can you tell me?
Ra is Fa, Dal is Ain, and the other Dal is Lam.
Very good. Excellent. Now we'll see. Can you read what is the sentence?
When idgham will take place?
Very good. Idgham. Idghamun. It is mean to merge something. Okay?
Okay.
To merge something. It means in Arabic, when there are 2 same letters at the end on ayn and lam, then they merge it. But there are conditions to merge it. It is not required that every double letter will be merged. No, there are certain conditions. If those conditions met, then we will merge. Now, first we'll enlist that what is the condition to merge. We cannot merge like that. Okay, we have to learn the conditions. Can you read the first reason? Okay.
Ayn letter is...
One minute.
Okay.
We have ideal condition only 1 to merge. This is the ideal condition. Can you read the number 1 point?
Ain letter is sakin and lam is mutaharrik.
Mutaharrik. What does it mean, mutaharrik?
It's like it has a
Yeah, it has
movement.
vowel. It has vowel.
Yeah,
Fatha, kasra, or dhamma. It
mama.
is the letter is called mutaharrik. If none
Yes,
of these three, then we call it what? Sakin. Like this
sakin.
ra is sakin in fil mudare. Okay. Now what we'll do? First we'll see ra dal dal. Is there in this position the condition is there to merge? Can you observe?
Yeah.
What is the condition? Can you explain again?
Well, um,
Read the condition number 1.
Ain letter is sakin and lam is mutaharrik.
So in the fail madi, is it there?
No, no, it's not.
No, because all are mutaharrik. What is our condition?
Yes.
Our condition, ain, it should be sakin.
Okay.
This is our requirement. And it should be mutaharrik. This is our requirement. So our requirement is not meeting. Understood?
Yes.
So what we will do? Read the next point now. We'll come to.
If ain is mutaharrik, we have to make it sakin. How to make sakin?
Okay. Now, because ain is mutaharrik, right now, we have to make it sakin. We want to drop this vowel. How we can drop it? So can you read?
Shift vowel of ain to the first letter attached to it. If that is sakin.
Okay, hold on. So
okay.
what we have to do? We have to move this vowel where? To the previous letter.
Okay.
Okay, but when?
Yeah. If ain letter is sakin.
No.
No, it's mutaharrik. If ain.
No. We have to make sakin ain. When we can make it, what is the procedure? We have to shift it where? To the previous one.
Yeah.
But the previous one is already having vowel.
One. Yeah.
So we are in trouble now, right?
Yeah.
Already the position is filled. So what we'll do? We will forcefully drop it. What we will do?
We'll drop it forcefully.
Forcefully. Now come to mudare. Can you observe the reasons? We need ayn kalima sakin. Is ayn sakin?
No.
No. This is what? Mutaharrik. Lam is mutaharrik?
Yes, lam is also mutaharrik.
So we have condition. This condition we did not meet. This condition we already met, right?
Yes.
One condition is missing. Now what is the rule? We have to shift this to
previous.
So previous, it should be already sakin. So it is there. We can move it.
Yeah.
We can move it, right?
Yes, we can.
We can bring from here to here. So then we can merge it. How to merge it? Just put dal with tashdeed and the same vowel which is on the lam, put it there. What will it will become? Mudare?
Yaruddu.
Yaruddu. Excellent. Here what will become? It is dropped.
Yeah. So radda.
Radda yaruddu. Very good. Is it interesting or no?
Yeah, it is.
It is like mathematics. Radda yaruddu. So now today you will come to know how these are formed. So we will work on full chart, inshallah. So rules already described. So I hope you will remember. So remember the rule. Ain kalima. What is the requirement? We need it sakin.
Should be sakin.
And lam kalima. We need it
mutaharrik.
This is our requirement. If in case ain kalima is not mutaharrik, is not sakin, we will shift its vowel to the previous letter. In case previous is already having vowel, we will just drop ain's vowel simply. So we will work one by one. So Aisha, now can you read the chart normally? the same as it is written.
رددا رددا ردددا رددا رددوا رددت رددتا رددنا رددا رددتا رددتما رددتم رددتي رددتما رددتن رددت رددنا.
Very good. Just one thing more. If our lam kalima is sakin, keep in mind, important point, we will not do anything.
If lam kalima is sakin, we will not do anything.
We will not do anything. This is the last point. What? If lam letter is sakin, then idgham will not take place and we will leave as it is. Now we will study. Okay. So, Aisha, in the first,
Yes.
can you tell me, will the idgham take place or no? And how?
Yes.
So what we'll do? We need to,
Shift.
we can shift in the first one?
Yes, we can.
No, we
Oh,
cannot.
no, we can't. We can't.
Drop it simply.
Yeah.
So what happened? Now it will become what?
Radda.
It will become?
Radda.
No, first we will just, we will not make it. We'll just identify.
Okay.
Come in second point. What happened? What will do?
We will drop as well.
We will drop because it is already occupied, the previous one.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
The last one?
We'll also drop.
Same. We will drop it. This, because this is our what? Fa, Ain, Lam.
Ain,
We
lam.
need Ain, Sakin.
Yes.
Okay. Move on. Next.
We'll also drop it again.
Next.
We'll drop it.
And the next.
Will not.
Why?
It will stay same
Why?
because we can't read it.
No. Our requirement is what? Lam is Sakin. When Lam is Sakin, no need to change anything.
Yeah.
This Lam, it is Sakin already.
Yes.
So the idgham condition is not met. So from here onwards, there is no change. It will stay same.
Okay.
You got it? If lam is sakin, forget everything. It means the topic closed. Now this lam is sakin throughout the chart.
Okay.
So we have not to worry about. So now can you read from the beginning? From here, merge it and read it.
Radda, radda, raddu, raddat, raddata, raddadna, radatta, radattuma, radattum, radatti, radattuma, radattunna, radattu, radadna.
Very good. It means to return. And it is coming from chapter Noon. Okay. Now we'll move to Fi'l Mudare. Okay. So this is normally written. Can you read it?
Yaruddu,
No.
yardudani.
Read it as it is written.
Yardudu, yardudani, yarduduna, tardudu, tardudani, yarduduna, tardudu, tardudani, tarduduna, tardudina, tardudani, tardudna, ardudu, nardudu.
Very good. Now we'll do the same work. Can you focus on first one? What will happen? Will shift or drop?
We'll shift.
Okay, we'll shift where? This one to the previous one because it is already empty. We have vacancy there. Okay, next.
We'll also shift because
We'll
it's
shift. We have vacancy.
Yeah.
Good. The next.
We'll shift again.
Because we have vacancy.
Yeah.
Next.
We'll shift.
Okay, good. Because we have vacancy.
Again,
next.
We'll shift again.
Very good. Because we have vacancy. Next.
Will not shift because the lam kalma is empty.
Very good. Because lam kalima is sakin. So we will hold here. Okay, good. Next.
We'll shift.
We will shift. So we will again stop at which point? That's again feminine here because we already have lam sakin.
Yeah.
This is what? Fa, ain, lam. If lam is sakin, no idgham. Okay. Now we are ready to convert it. Okay. Read the chart by merging.
Yaruddu, yaruddani, yarudduna, taruddu, taruddani, yarduduna, taruddu, ترداني تردون تردين ترداني ترددنا أرد نرد.
Very good. Excellent. Now we have to make what? Fail amr. Fail amr we will make from second person, right?
Yes.
This. What are the steps?
We'll remove the علامة مضارع.
We'll remove it. Okay. We removed it. What happened? And what we'll make? We'll make majzoom.
Yes.
Okay. In this case, this is the special one, that's slightly different. In that
Yes.
case, it will become rudda. What?
رد.
Or we have another option. When we want to make amr of it, we have to go on the beginning, original, this one.
Yes.
We'll make alamat muzare, remove it, make majzoom, bring hamza, put dhamma because
أردد.
nine kalima is having dhamma. What it will? Urdud.
أردد.
Very good. Now, rudda, this is the, but normally it is found in Arabic like this because when they make majzoom, mudaaf, they put fatha on it. Rudda, rudda, ruddu,
رد.
ruddi, rudda, and the last one because it is normal. We'll remove ta marbuta, sorry, ta for mudare, and we'll remove noon for making majzoom. We cannot read it. We'll bring hamza and put dhamma.
أردد.
Urdud. Sorry.
أردد.
Oh, I forget it. In majzoom for muannas, we don't remove noon.
أرددنا. Yes.
Urdudna. So, how it was?
Easy. Yes.
Easy. For you, easy, and maybe for your class fellows, I don't know. I cannot see their faces, so teacher only can recognize by faces how they are feeling. So make your expressions by your what we'll say, what we call it. This
Understanding.
smile is what we call it. We call it, there's some name. Give your expression. Give your expression, all the students. How I want to feel how you felt about this learning. I don't know. They know or no. Okay, Dr. Smitha. They are, mashallah, very good students. They don't listen anything to teacher. They don't consider him teacher.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, I'm listening. 1 minute. Okay. So, Smitha, Dr. Smitha, now you
Yes.
are. So
Yes.
you already understood all things, right?
Yes, sir. Alhamdulillah, sir.
Alhamdulillah. Easy?
Yeah, interesting.
Okay, interesting. We have fa, ra, ra. Okay.
Yes.
So it is from Bab Daraba. I want to actually show you the chapters from where it comes and how we'll do. Okay. So normally it is farara, farara, fararu, fararat, fararata, fararna, fararta, farartuma, farartum, fararti, farartuma, farartunna, farartu, fararna. Now you already know that from this portion there will be no change, right?
Yes.
So can you explain for the first 5 what will happen? We will change or no?
Sir, we can change, sir. We should drop the vowel of Ain Kalima, sir.
Very good. In all?
In all 5, sir.
Very good. In all, we will drop. Why will drop? What is the reason?
Because the fur has, there is no vacancy empty on vowel on the first, so forcefully we should drop the Ain Kalima.
Yeah. And
Fine.
another thing, for idgham, we have condition. What is the
Lam
condition?
should be, Ain should be sakin and lam should be mutahrik.
Very good. Lam should be mutarik. This is our condition in case. This is our requirement. But we have to check it. But if lam is sakin, then what will happen?
We should keep it as it is, sir.
As it is. No idgham. Okay. Now, merge it and read it.
Yes. Farra, farra, farru, farrat, farrata, farrarna.
Very good. Continue till the end.
Okay. Farar, fararta, farartuma, farartum, fararti, farartuma, farartunna, farar. Sir, it will be us. Farartu, fararna.
Very good. Farar to farna. It means to flee. Okay.
To flip. Yes.
So he fled, she fled, I fled, and etc. Now we'll come to Mudare. Mudare, you already know. Where we will not make merging. Can you pick up?
Sir, only the Jama Monas, sir.
Jama Muannas Ghaib and Jama Muannas Hadir.
Yes,
We will not
Hazir, sir.
change anything. It will stay as it is because
As it
what?
is.
Because why?
Because the lam is sakin, sir.
Lam is sakin. Good. And here what we'll do?
In the rest of the thing, we will shift the ain kalima to the first, sir.
So it will become like this. We cannot
Yes,
still
sir.
read it. So we need to do
Yes.
merging. And
Yes.
after merging, we'll follow the lam letter vowel.
Yes.
So can you read after changing?
Yes. Yafirru, yafirrani, yafirruna, tafirru, tafirrani, tafirna,
Yafrirna.
tafirru, yafrirna, sorry, yafrirna, tafirru, tafirrani, tafirruna, tafirrina, tafirrani, tafrirna, afirru, nafirru.
Nafirru. Okay. Now we want to make fail amr. Fail amr is from these 6. Okay.
Yes.
So already we discussed what we'll do. We'll remove only alamat mudare and make
Yes.
it mazzoom in the case of with fatha. What it will be?
Fathas. Firras,
Firra. Firra.
firra, firra, firru, firri, firra. Uh, uh, it will be as it is, sir. The monas will be.
Okay.
Jama monas.
Aisha. Firru. Read the ayah from Quran. Firru.
ففروا إلى الله.
No, read it with the.
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ففروا إلى الله إني لكم منه نذير مبين. ولا تجعلوا مع الله إلها آخر إني لكم منه نذير مبين. كذلك ما أتى الذين من قبلهم من رسول إلا كانوا به وما كذلك ما أتى الذين من قبلهم من رسول إلا قالوا به يستهزئ.
Okay, no problem. It's okay. But mashallah, very good, excellent. So, firru to flee. Firru ilallah. You all flee towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Return back. Firru. Be quick. Okay? Dr. Smita, the meaning in this word is to flee. It means if
flee
someone
towards Allah.
is in jail and you will tell him to flee, how he will flee? Can you explain?
By repenting our sins and all.
1 minute. No. If someone is in jail,
Achha.
you open the door and tell him flee. How he will act? Dr. Smita,
Yes.
this is a normal question. If you open
He
the
will
door
run.
to jail and tell
He
the
will-
prisoner to flee, he will run back and he will not see behind.
Yes. Yes. True. Sir.
This is what required in this ayah. That is why we have to feel it. This word is not chosen without anything. It means to return to Allah, don't look behind and be fast. Be quick. There, for returning, there are many words. Why this one chosen? This we have to think. Why Allah said,
Yes.
Firru ilallah. Mean be quick in returning. And just think how a prisoner, you give him a space. Oh, Mr. Prisoner, run. Wallahi, he will run and he will not see behind. What is happening? Who is coming behind me? And he will run in a way that he cannot be catched. So that's why we are learning Arabic not for this file, maful and everything. This is something very simple way, but we have to think on it. Oh, inshallah, you will do. But this just I'm giving you an idea how should we think. Okay, mashallah, you picked up. Okay, Dr. Smitha. Next we have from chapter Seen, Masisa.
Scenes.
Masisa yamsasu, it is normal. Now, we already know there's no change.
Yes.
And we already learned that what we have to do, already done. Now read after merging.
It will be massa, sir.
Yes, because we have fatha on lam. It will be
Yes.
massa.
Massa. Massa, massa, massu, massat, massata.
That's
It will be as
normal.
it is.
Masisna.
Masisna. Masista, masistuma, masistum, masisti, masistuma, masistunna, masistu, masisna.
Very good. It means to touch. Okay.
Touch.
Now,
Okay, sir.
mudare. In mudare, we already know that there is no change in muannas, jam'u,
Yes.
ghaib and
Yes.
hadir. So,
Yes.
we'll apply direct. Already changes will just this vowel will revert back to the previous one and we make empty or vacant ain kalima. Now,
Yes.
put the change and
Ye-
merge it.
Yamassu, yamassani, yamassuna, tamassu, tamassani, yamassasna,
Yamsasna.
yamsasna, yamsasna. Tamassu, tamassani, tamassuna, tamassina, tamassani, tamsasna, amassu, namassu.
Very good. Excellent. Now we'll make what? Amr. Make
Amrs. Amr will be massu, massa,
Massa. Okay, good.
massa, massu, massi, massa. Then it will be as it is.
No,
Massasna.
imsasna. We'll remove the
Imsasna.
alamat mudare and we'll put
And
one alif. Imsasna.
Alif. Imsasna.
You all
Imsasna.
touch. Or it will be imsas. Okay. As I told you,
Yes.
it can be made from this also.
Yes.
Okay, mashallah. So you already got it. Okay, one I forget. This from the original, we will make only for the first one. Wahid Mudakkar Hazir. Other no.
Okay, sir.
Okay. That's
Yes.
why I'm just making for this one. Other we cannot make because if you remove alamat mudare and you make majzoom, still you have to follow the rule. You have to merge it. But here, if you put majzoom, see majzoom. Now our lam kalima already got sakin. So we cannot do merging, right?
Yes.
Here it is not happening. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is a very interesting thing came in my mind. This we cannot do because if we put alamat mudare, we remove, we put hamza, and we cannot still because our lam kalima is mutaharrik. We have to shift it to the previous one. So only the mudar, only the amr from the first one we can make in both ways, either imsas or massa, both. Other we have to follow same as we learned now. Okay, mashallah. Now fail mudare mansoob. How it will become mansoob? Very simple. You know already. Yamassa, yamassa, yamassu. Just you will put fatha. Fail mazi majhul, musisa, musisa, musisu, Musisat, musisata, musisna. Yumsasu. Now, here the change will come, right? Same. Musa, musa, musu, musat, musata, musisna. Same in the 5 we will change, right?
Yes.
Because other from here, our lam kalima is sakin. We will not do it.
Second.
So,
Yes.
dear students and dear sisters, nothing to worry about. These all things are already written in Quran. But what I'm doing, I'm just showing you. So, in these all lectures, don't worry, don't feel panic or don't feel it hard. If you feel it hard, just bear it for some time. Just know what's happening. Even if you don't know the full procedure, but at least you come to know, okay, if in Quran there is word tabba, tabbat, yeah, why this tashdeed on ba? Now you come to know, yes, there is, mean 2 letters are there. So the important point is only that one. Others, no problem. By the practice or by the passage of time, it will come. And in Quran, you only mostly need this, the first one. Or you will be using the Wahid Mutakallim. Very rarely you will use some ghaib. Other, there is in Musanna in Quran not used. And Wahid Muannas also very less. So don't worry about it. Now, in Mudare, Majhul, what will happen? Yumasu, Yumasani. Same. These 2 we will forget for the women, for the feminine. Others will change as we've done the practice. Because the basic thing, we learn the law and apply the law simply. Okay. Now, the first ayah. Can you read, Dr. Smitha?
Yes. Tabbat yada abi lahabin bin watab.
Sister, Tabbat yada abi lahabin wa. What happened?
Sir, tabbat yada abi lahabin watab.
Watab. Okay. So, what is this fail? Madi or Mudare?
It is mazi, sir.
Okay. So, what you can you extract the root letters?
The root letters are ta, ba, ba.
Very good. It is from Bab Noon. So, what will be the Mudare of Tabbat? Can you read Mazi and Mudare?
Mazi will be tabba
Tabba.
and muzare will be yatubu.
Very good. Yatubbu. Excellent. Yatubbu. It means to ruin. Okay.
Ruin. Okay, sir, ruin.
Okay. So, because it is fail Madi, can you tell me what is the file of Tabbat and why it is Wahid Muannas?
Wide monas. Yada means hands, na sir. Hands will be plural. 2 in pair, so it will be monas. So the monas siga is used.
Okay. So, this is file.
File, yes.
Because Yadani noon drop, it is Marfu.
Marf.
It is Murakkab Idafi. Yada Abi Lahabin. The hand,
Yes.
the both hands of Abu Lahab.
Abu Lahab.
So what do you, how you will translate now? Tabbat Yada Abi Lahab.
Both hands of Abu Lahab ruined.
Ruined. Okay, there are 2 meanings. One is ruined, or second, may. It is in Du'ayya Kalima.
Okay.
May the hands of, both hands of Abu Lahab be ruined.
Be ruined.
And what is Tabba? It is which fail? Madi, Mudare, what is the file?
It is the Mazi, sir, and file is Huwa, sir.
Who is now Huwa? Where it is going?
Going towards Abu Lahab.
Abu Lahab. Very good. Now what is the meaning of Tabba?
May he be ruined.
Here it is not Du'ayya. It is resultant. He ruined.
He ruined. Yes.
Mean already done.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Next ayah, can you read?
Wala yahuzzu ala ta'amil miskin.
Very good. Now Yahuddu, which is fail, Madi or Mudare?
It is Muzare, sir.
Okay, excellent. What is the root letters?
The root letter is Ha, Dod.
Can you observe which Bab it is coming from?
Sir, as it is a pesh, so it is noon bab.
Very good. So what will be the mudare, madi?
Mazi will be haddu,
No.
mazi.
Yes, what will be mazi? What is the madi of noon?
Dora, nazara,
Nasara.
nasara.
Okay, put ha,
Has,
dad on this.
haddu, sir, sorry.
Why haddu? Why again you are putting dhamma? What is the reason behind that?
No, I'm telling in merge form, sir.
No, again the merge form. From where you are bringing dhamma? Why? There is no dhamma in full letters. From where you brought it?
Sorry, sir, sorry.
If from your hospital, there free dhamma is available.
Sorry, sir.
Subhanallah. There is no dhamma.
Ha-
From where you brought it?
ha-
No, this is
do-
serious point to correct you.
Yes.
If there is, okay, if there is, you can make mistake, I can correct. But in originally there is nothing.
Okay, sir.
Now merge it. What will happen? Yes.
Hadda.
Yes, hadda. Just drop it,
Yes.
merge it, and the last lam letter put fatha, hadda.
Yes.
It means to encourage.
To encourage. Okay. Sir.
Okay. So ta'amun, it means to feed. Ta'amil miskin, which murakkab?
Miskin. Kuna kina. So majroor. So it is murakkab izafi.
Murakkab izafi. It is not kuna kina. It is actually miskin wahid.
Why?
Okay. Its plural is masakin. It means poor, to feed poor. So, yahuddu, what is the file of yahuddu?
Yahuddu. File is huwa, sir.
Very good. Huwa. And la, nafi or nahi?
So it is lam nafi, sir.
Okay. La yahuddu ala ta'amil miskina. Translated. Present continuous.
He did not.
Present continuous.
Present continuous. Achha, okay.
Fail
Yahuddu
mudare.
means-
You are seeing fail mudare. Why you are going to did not and this?
Sir, to encourage. Achha, he will not. He is not encourage.
Yes. Continue.
He is not encouraging on the feed of the poor miskin.
Very good. He is not encouraging to feed the poor or on feeding the poor.
Yes.
Okay. There
Yes.
are some people, they don't encourage, they only discourage. Okay. Read the next ayah.
فَلْيَعْبُدُوا رَبَّ هَذَا الْبَيْتِ.
Very good. So this lam is what? Is from majzoom or from nawasib?
Sir, it is majzoom.
Very good. It is from majzoom. It is making majzoom. So what this lam is called what? Which lam?
Sir, lamu amr, sir.
Very good. Excellent. MashaAllah. Lamu amr.
Because
Ya'budu.
of
What is the file of ya'budu?
when fa and waw comes, it becomes a sakin, sir.
Yes. What is the file of ya'budu?
The file of yabudu. Huwa. Whom, sir?
Whom? It means to worship. And Rabb,
Worship.
it means Lord.
Lord.
Rabba hadal bayti. Which murakkab?
It is murakkab izafi, sir.
Rabba, why it is mansoob?
Maful, sir, it is.
Very good. Translate the sentence.
They all should worship the Lord of this house.
Excellent. Burikchi. Excellent. Next.
Alam yaj'al kaidahum fi tazlil.
Very good. Qaid, it means plan. Okay.
Plan. Okay, sir.
Tadleel, misguidance.
Misguidance. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, what is lam? Is from a jawazim or nawasib?
It is a Jawazim, sir. Majzum.
What is the file of yaj'al?
File of Yajal is Huwa.
Okay. Why kaidahum mansub?
Maful, because of Maful.
And what is a?
Hurfe Istafam.
Harf. Or not harf. Harf.
Harfe Istafam.
Okay. Now translate the sentence.
Lam means it will make into past. So, did he not make your plan?
Your plan. Whom?
Your
Their plan.
yeah, their plan. Did he not make your plan
Their
into
plan.
Did he not make their plan into misguidance?
Yes. Yeah, because you are doctor, you are always talking your patients, your. That's why it is not moving to there. Okay. Alam
Sorry, sir.
yajal kaidahum fi tadlilin. Did not make their plan into misguidance. Okay. MashaAllah. Next, Ayah.
Alam nashrah laka sadrak. Raka. First is Hamza is harfe istafam. Lam is mazum. It makes the mazari mazrum. Nashra is majzum sarin. Laka is mutalik fail. Sadraka is a maful sir.
Okay. So,
Uh,
sharaha yashrahu, it means to expand or to open.
Open
So,
or
can
expand.
you translate?
Yes. Past. Did he not expand for
No.
you?
What is the file of nashra?
We sorry, Nahano.
Yes.
No. Did we not expand for you your chest?
Very good. Excellent. Thank you very much. Aisha, please come.
السلام عليكم.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah. Can you read the next ayah?
ولم يمسسني.
Okay. So, do you observe yamsas? It become majzoom.
Yes.
What is ni?
Ni is me.
Yes. Is file or maful?
It's مفعول.
Very good. What is the file of yamsas?
هو.
So what does it mean? Translate. Walam yamsasni.
And never has touched me.
Who?
He
did not. He.
Okay. And he did not touch me.
He never touched me or he did not touch me. Next.
Okay. لم يمسسهم سوء.
Okay. What is
سوء.
whom?
هم is مفعول.
And what is su'un? Why it is marfu?
Because it's فاعل.
It is file. So su'un mean harm. So can
Yes,
you
harm.
translate?
And the harmless never touched them.
Okay. Can you next read the ayah?
فصب عليهم ربك صوت عذاب.
Okay. What is the root letter of sabba?
صبابة. صاد بابا.
Saad Baba. Sabba yasubbu from chapter Noon. Because
Yes.
this muda'af, it is coming from Dad, Noon, or Seen. Okay? These three
Yes.
chapters. Mostly. Can come
Okay.
from other, but mostly they are only from these three. Okay. فَصَبَّ عَلَيْهِمْ رَبُّكَ صَوْتَ عَذَابٍ. So what is the file of Sabba?
عليهم. Him.
Oh, it can be file. Excellent. It's new learning for me.
Oh, sorry. فاعل. It's صب هو. Yeah.
So why Rabbuka is marfu then?
Because it's فاعل.
Then why you said huwa?
صب عليهم.
Remember, in the verbal sentence, anything you find marfu, it is fa'il. Before answering, just look at the ayah. Got it or no? Or you forget?
Yeah. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. If marfu file is not there, then we will say pronoun in the verb is file. Okay.
Okay.
So if we have marfu noun, either it is murakkab or it is mufrad, we will call it fa'il. فَصَبَّ عَلَيْهِمْ رَبُّكَ. Now, sawta, why it is mansoob?
Because it's مركب إضافي.
Very good. Sawta adabin, scourge of the tournament.
Scourge of the tournament.
Okay. Sabba, it means to pour. So can you translate now? فَصَبَّ عَلَيْهِمْ رَبُّكَ صَوْتَ عَذَابٍ.
Okay. So then your Lord poured on them a scourge of tournament.
Very good. Excellent. Next, can you read?
فلا تنهر.
Okay. This light, which type? Nafi or nahi?
لا نهي.
La nahi. Okay. So, tanhar, what is the file?
فعل is أنت.
Anta. Very good. So, it means to repel. What is the translation? Fala tanhar.
So do not repel.
Don't repel. Okay. If someone comes to you to ask some help, don't repel him or to push him. Okay. Next, can you read?
وادخلي جنتي.
Okay. What does it mean? Wadkhuli. Which fail is this? Madi, mudare, or something else?
It's فعل أمر.
It is fail amr. What is the file?
أنتي.
Very good. Anti. What is the jannati in this sentence?
جنتي is the مفعول.
Very good. So now translate. Wadkhuli jannati.
And enter my paradise.
Okay. Next.
ارجعي إلى ربك.
Very good. What is the fail?
فعل is ارجعي. أمر.
Amr.
فعل أمر.
Anti file. Translate the
Yes.
sentence.
Return to your Lord.
You return to your Lord. Okay, you should pronounce you because
You return
file
to your
is pronoun you. It should be apparent here also. You enter in my paradise. Okay. Alhamdulillah.
Okay.
I hope you are going very well. Now, for all the students, make screenshot of this page. Make screenshot of this page quickly. And now it is your job to do what? So find out file, maf'ul, and write translation. Translate it into your language. All the sentences. You have to write what? What is fail? It is past or present. First question, fail. What type of fail? Then, what is the file? Identify it. What is the maf'ul if it is there? Okay. If fail is mudare, identify it is mudare majzoom or mansoob. They are not too much, only few, but it will help you. And you can find the translations on dictionary box, very easy. And I think dictionary box, the translations from dictionary box is much easier than the translations which are written in English for the Quran, because they chose very difficult words. I don't know from where they bring. Okay, so now like this, inna hadal Quran yakussu ala bani Israel. You should explain what is the ismu inna, what is the khabaru inna. Here, nahnu, jumla ismiya. Tell us what is mubtada, what is khabar, what is fa'il, what is muta'alliqu fi'il. In all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 10 sentences. Okay, here are a few more. Really, it will help you. Okay, make screenshot please for this page also. This is your homework. You have to do it in 1 week and send to your group. And please, you should do it compulsory. Okay, Dr. Smitha, you will mark their attendance, right? Got it?
Yes. Okay, sir.
Okay. I will put these questions in a Google form also. You can take help from there also. But you should do in your writing, write the translation, put the verbs, inshallah. It will help you too much. I hope today's lecture was clear and interesting. Surely your comments in the group will tell me what was your finding in this lecture and how you felt it. It was heavy, it was light, it was interesting. Whatever your comment, you can make it, inshallah. So we will keep continue this weekly lecture. I'll try to bring in the next lectures more ayat as we done some practice today, and we'll keep continuing inshallah bismillah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for us. Keep remember me and my family and my all relatives in your prayers. I will do the same. Jazakumullahu khaira. Fi amanillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.